till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll that around, can't stop, roll that down, my ladies.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this is the next piece of Tesla speaker box in plastic cabinet, plastic box. I had here in my previous video two types of Tesla boxes, also from 80s. So this is from 80s, in this previous video they were a little bigger ones, so I didn't put here on the table this type in the previous video. In the previous video it was the Tesla ARS 8107 with full-range speaker and bass reflex with full-range speaker, Tesla ARE 4604. So watch my previous video if you are interested. If I don't forget, I put here active link. And this 8107 with bass reflex and small full-range speaker was compared in the previous video with the Tesla RK06, which is without bass reflex but with bigger full-range speaker. So the comparison was for me very interesting to compare bigger speaker in the same box. The box is totally the same, the enclosure, so bigger full-range speaker without bass reflex and smaller full-range speaker with bass reflex. For me, interesting comparison, so watch my previous video. And now I have here on the table the Tesla ARS 8108, 8 ohms. It was produced also in 4 ohms version, 8105. This is sometimes the last number means by the Tesla speakers and boxes impedance. When it ends 8, it is usually 8 ohms. When it ends, the last number is 4, it is usually 4 ohms. But there are many other types, which, for example, ARO 666, 8 ohms, ARO 667, 4 ohms, and other. So I decided to put here this box to show it to you, and I had an idea what happens if I put inside any other damping material, because in these all types of plastic boxes, like in the previous video, is a damping material inside a piece of plastic folio only. So let's see what happens if I put here, instead of the original plastic folio, some for me the best damping material. And this is, it's a little dangerous. The speaker factories don't like to use it nowadays. From the huge Telefunken speaker boxes, and this is original old glass wool. And I hope you will agree, the old huge Telefunkens are sounding pretty nice. So I will test, or I will show you the sound without changing, as in original version. I put it to the camera. You can evaluate the sound, or you will hear the sound, and then I will open it and put inside a glass wool, real glass. No nowadays other material for isolation. This is real glass. So let's see. I believe that it can be also for you interesting, because I don't know the result. For me it's interesting if something happens or not. Yes, you can say me there is no damping material necessary, because here is bass reflex, but I think it's no bass reflex. These are two small openings without any tubes, so it doesn't work like bass reflex. So we'll see what happens. I will let you play the track number 3. now I will open it and change the damping material. So screws are out, and we'll see if it is original inside. There should be plastic folio, as I told before. And I would like to also one comment to these boxes, because I must say I love them regarding these metal grills. It is pretty hard, pretty fast. So up to now, I've never seen this box with damaged speakers. Oh, it's no problem. So let's see how does it look inside. Yes, folio, and this is Tesla ARO 4508, 8 ohms, 130 millimeters mid-bass speaker, and the Tesla ARV 168, 8 ohms tweeter. So let's put inside, instead of this folio, this glass wool. German glass wool. 68. We have now 2025. 78, 88, 98, 2008, 2018, 2028. So 60 minus 3, 57 years old, if I count it correctly. So let's take it. So now the sound test with glass wool inside. Let's play the same track. So I cannot compare it just now because it was few minutes ago. So I will cut the clip and post here before tuning and after tuning. So let's compare it, and please, dear friends, write me in comments if you hear some difference. Just now I don't know if there is difference. So write me in the comments, and I would like read your comments. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.